In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively name your slides in Google Slides using the title placeholder. Understanding how to properly utilize this feature is essential for organizing your presentation and ensuring that your audience can easily navigate through it, especially when creating a table of contents or setting up hyperlinks. So, let's dive right in. When you start by creating a new slide in Google Slides, or when you select a slide layout that includes a title, you'll typically notice a placeholder box labeled Click to Add Title. This box is your go-to spot for entering the text that will serve as the name of your slide. It's an integral component in how slides are identified within your presentation. Imagine you're working on a comprehensive presentation, and on the first slide, you input the word Introduction into the title placeholder. This action names that slide Introduction, making it simple to reference when setting up hyperlinks or when constructing a contents page. Think of the title placeholder as not just a spot for text, but as a strategy for connecting your slides in a way that's intuitive and organized. As you continue developing your slides, each one you craft with a thoughtful title in the placeholder feeds into the larger ecosystem of your presentation. When you hyperlink one slide to another, what your audience will see is the title text you've entered. This makes it critical that titles are clear and representative of the content they introduce. Beyond simply typing in your titles, Google Slides offers flexibility in how you can customize the appearance of your title placeholder. You can personalize various elements such as the font style, its size, and even the color, without altering the underlying title text used for linking or table of contents purposes. This customization allows you to maintain a cohesive design throughout your slides while keeping everything logically organized in the background. You also have the option to adjust the size and position of the title placeholder box itself. Whether you want it prominently displayed at the center or neatly aligned at the top, feel free to reposition and resize to fit the aesthetic and needs of your presentation. Magic Slides provides excellent guidance, suggesting adjustments so that your slide design looks professional and visually appealing while retaining the essential functionality provided by the title placeholder. In summary, when you leverage the functionality of the title placeholder correctly, you not only facilitate better navigation for your viewers, but also elevate the overall professionalism of your presentation. Practice entering clear, concise titles, and don't hesitate to experiment with design features in Google Slides to achieve the most polished presentation possible. As always, thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial enhances your next slide creation experience.